Hey everybody, it's Wes with All Pistons Garage again. Guys, I'm going to do a little update on the 04 GT. If any of you guys own 94 to 04 Mustang, here's something you've probably had problems with. It's aggravating, but it is simply can be fixed. So let me show you what we got. We're going to do something to the trunk. All right, guys, so we got us another package from LMR. LMR is a great company. They've been a huge help with both of these Mustangs, especially the 04 GT. So what we got in this box is going to go onto the trunk of the 04. And I'm not sponsored by LMR. They're just a great company. They have a lot of parts for these cars. And I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, what we got some new helper shocks, is what I call them, for the trunk. Mine are currently wore out. When you lift the trunk up, if you're not careful, it'll slam back down. That is a fiberglass trunk. Believe it or not, for fiberglass with that wing spoiler on the back of it, it makes it pretty heavy, and several times I have almost had my head chopped off because once I got it stood up, the wind blew it just a little bit and it come flying down on me. So we're going to cure that today, and I want to show you just how simple that is. All right, let's show you. Once this trunk's all the way up, it's okay, but if the wind blows it just a slight bit, it slams down, and I don't like my fiberglass trunk slamming down. And so if you're not careful, if you're in the car and you ain't careful, wham, that thing will get you. So let me go ahead. We're going to change these out. We're going to put the new ones in. I'll show you just how simple that is. All right, guys. It's very simple. Just get you a small straight slot screwdriver. And you want to go in and just pry this clip out, like so. You don't even really have to take it all the way off. And there's one down here at the bottom. Just pry it out a little bit. All right. And they just pop right off. Uh-oh. That one popped back on. There we go. Guys, all it is, there's a ball here and there's a ball there. You take the new one, pull it out of the package. And all you do is just use a little bit of force, clip it on, spin this around, and there you go. So guys, that's just how simple and easy that can be done in just a few minutes. Just a little bit over 30 bucks. And believe it or not, for a fiberglass trunk, this thing's pretty heavy because I've had it off the car. You add that spoiler on there, so you can imagine if you're bent down, you're doing something occupied, and this thing comes down on you because you can't hardly hear it. It's very quiet. So there you go, guys. For just a little over 30 bucks from LMR, you can get rid of a guillotine, a neck breaker, and you can have your trunk just like it was back from the factory. And speaking of that, guys, there's some more things that LMR has other than just car parts, and I want to show you that now. All right, guys. So we got another box here from LMR, and it's got some cool stuff in it. And I just want to share it with you. There's some stuff in this box that's kind of retro from back in the 90s, and I want to share that with you now. So LMR, like I told you, is a great company for buying, Mustang parts. But they also have other things. This right here is really cool. Let's see. All right. So we got some stickers right here. It says 50 Resto. SVE stickers to go on the box. Special vehicle equipment. And of course, the LMR stickers. good old LMR stickers. So those will be going on the cabinet as well. Here's something that is really, really cool. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Just hadn't got around to getting one yet, but now I got one. This thing's cool, guys. This is a silhouette. Sort of like what you see on the shirt here. And I may start selling these shirts. Hadn't made my mind up yet. I just had a couple made. If any of you might be interested, let me know. And it might be something we do. But this is pretty neat. This thing is made out of metal and is a silhouette. It's a silhouette of a New Edge Mustang. So that's pretty cool. That right there is awesome. That's going to look good somewhere. We're going to put it somewhere. It's going to look good. Actually, I might even put this in my house. So that's a cool thing that you can get from LMR. And this here, guys, this right here just brings back memories for me back in the day when I had my 90 model. This thing right here, it's awesome. Get a little, try to make sure I don't cut it here. Oh, there we go. Guys, this right here, this is awesome. I cannot wait to hang this up. This is awesome right here. Look at that, guys. Look at that right there. That right there is retro right there. I remember seeing these things back in the day, and LMR brought these things back, and I wanted one from the moment I seen it, and I cannot wait to hang it up in the shop. Absolutely cannot wait. Just reminds me of back in the day, and of Ford. And speaking of that, let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, in the old shop, I found an old Ford Motorsport plate cover that I had. I believe it was on the back of my Coupe. I found it in the shop. I believe it'll clean up nicely. I believe I'm gonna be able to maybe get some toothpaste, polish this up. But anyways, this thing's probably 30, 35 years old. And that's what I'm talking about. If you can see, it was Ford Motorsport, back when Ford Motorsport was real big. And so when I seen this and just thought about, man, it just brought me back. And I was like, man, I'd love to have one of those hanging up in my shop. So LMR has it. So if you're interested in them, I'm going to put all of this in the link in the description. So go over there, guys, and check it out, because LMR has got way more than just car parts. So with that being said, go check those guys out. They're a great company. I do a lot with them. Like I say, I'm not sponsored by them, but you can call those guys on the phone. I've really not had to wait very long for a few times that I had to call with some questions, and they always, one way or the other, they answer my questions. So, all right, guys, that's going to end the video here. If your trunk from 94 to 04 is giving you trouble, just a few minutes, you can have that fixed. You could probably save damage on your trunk, damage on your back, your neck, all of that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And guys, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.